Hello, I'm Yves from Belgium, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to use a compressor in a musical context with Ardour. So previously I recorded a little dub loop song with a MIDI control keyboard. Let's hear that now. So you notice that the bass track, the last notes are a little bit heavier. I guess that's because my keyboard is velocity sensitive and I pressed maybe a little bit too hard on the end. Can solo that to hear it more clearly. So you see that in the end it definitely goes in the red. That's not that good because it's a little bit distorted. So how can we fix it? We can enable a compressor on this track. I'm going to select the Calf compressor. And by double clicking on it we can check the settings. So the main settings are attack, release, ratio and threshold. I'm gonna explain that. Attack and release is how fast the compressor will react and how fast it will release, and once it has passed the threshold. The ratio is the amount of compression we will apply, and the threshold is on which level in decibels the compressor will kick in. Then we also have a knee control, that's the dynamics, so how fluid the compressor will react. So when we turn this on and more off, you will see this band line here will be slightly curved or less. So I will leave this on the default setting of 9 dB. And we can also play with the makeup gain, so once the compressor kicks in, the loudness will go down and we can make up that loudness with the makeup gain. So for this bass line, I will leave the settings default except for the threshold, which I will turn to minus 30 dB something. And then we can check what the compressor really does. So you notice that the gain isn't that much going into the red, and all bass notes are more evened out. That's what we want. So you can listen to the complete song now. So that's looking much better. So I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something new, and happy compressing on Ardour. Thank you.